if you like comfort foods, this time of year just makes you feel like you want to stay in. It gets cool and cold outside, and Phil's making some country ribs today, so I said, I think I'll make some collard greens. And this collard green recipe is a little different probably from usual. My cousin Frances gave me this recipe, and it's got a little more oomph to it. It's got some Tabasco in it, some garlic, onion, and we're going to put all this together, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So we'll be right back. We've got a deep stock pot because we're going to have a lot of greens, but they're going to cook way down. But it'll eventually fill this up, but it'll cook down. And first of all, we're going to just got our 2 tablespoons of oil in here, and I'm going to add a cup of chopped yellow onion and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And we will saute this for like 3 minutes until the onions are translucent. Got the onions translucent like we want, and now I'm going to add this ham hock. You just put that right down in the middle there, and then we are going to add our vinegar, and we'll have all these measurements for you. Okay, and now we are going to add the collard greens little by little. And you want these to cook down till they wilt. And this is just part of them. I've got another bowl just like this I'm going to be putting in here. So let that cook down. Okay, we've got the collards in the pot. Now when you buy collards, you can get them already washed and chopped already in bags, or you can buy the bunches and do it yourself. Just make sure that you wash them really good and you take that main stem out. And it's a lot more work, but you can just go ahead and get them already done, and it's a lot easier. So we're letting these wilt down before I add my 9 cups of chicken broth that I'm going to put in it. So we'll be back and show you how. Now we're going to add our chicken broth. It calls for 9 cups, but you can add more as you need it, if you need it. Okay, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Tabasco at the beginning of the cook, and then at the end we'll add another teaspoon of Tabasco. And then we will salt and pepper to taste. Yeah, we'll do some salt and pepper after it gets out. We're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to let it simmer for like 2 hours, and it gives it a real silky texture. And then at the end we'll put the Tabasco sauce in it. So we'll check that with you. Our collards, and I'm going to take them up and put them in this casserole dish. Did add the extra Tabasco sauce, another teaspoon of Tabasco sauce, and we took the ham hock out and cut it up in the collards. Just gives it that much more flavor. So we will dish this up and do a taste test. Okay, we've got everything served up, and I'm going to do a taste test on these collards. They look really good. The ham hock. Good. Got a little bit of heat with it, Tabasco. Taste that ham hock in there. Very good. Y'all need to try this. You want some good comfort food. So we're going to eat this. We've got some mac and cheese, and ribs, chicken, a little bit of baked beans, and some bread. So hope you give it a try. So this is Janet and Florence. Go Tigers!